Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad with cucumber. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients for this simple, delicious meal. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, thoroughly drained, and about 1/2 of a large cucumber, finely diced. Make sure your tuna is well drained to avoid a watery salad. This ensures a perfect texture every time. Now let's get to the preparation. First, take your 1/2 of a large cucumber and dice it into small, uniform pieces. Next, finely chop about 1/4 cup of red onion. This adds a nice crunch and a subtle bite. Once your cucumber and onion are ready, gently combine them with the drained tuna in a medium-sized mixing bowl. This forms the delicious base of our salad. For the dressing, we'll keep it simple and flavorful. Add 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise to the tuna mixture. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This provides a lovely tang that complements the other ingredients. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix everything gently until all ingredients are well combined and coated evenly. Your easy tuna cucumber salad is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it immediately for the freshest taste, or chill it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to enhance the flavors. This salad is incredibly versatile. Try it on crackers, toasted bread, or even in crisp lettuce wraps for a low-carb option. It's a perfect, refreshing meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.